What is up, App Nation? It is Steve P. Young, founder of appmasters.com, the place you go when you want action-packed content in the app business. And today, I want to talk all about utilizing Reddit for app downloads. If you guys aren't familiar with Reddit, it is a vibrant community full of awesome people ready to download your app. But the key to marketing on Reddit is to find the subreddit that is the most relevant to your app. Now, I'm going to show you a subreddit that I absolutely love to run one of my favorite campaigns called a free promotional campaign, or in the past, I've called it a pay to free campaign. So here's a subreddit. It is called App Hookup. And here's what it does. If you're giving away something away for free in your app, you can promote it on this subreddit. If you have a paid app and you're making it free, this is the traditional way of doing it. But if you're a free app, you can make any of your in-app purchases for free. We've down discount codes for free, in-app purchases for free. So anything that you're making free within the app, this is the subreddit that you would want to promote in. And you can also search. So if I had a sports app or a meditation app, for example, I might look up certain subreddits. So if you have a meditation app, for example, I might go to reddit.com and then I might search for a meditation, right? And then you see a ton of subreddits. So here are all the subreddits. You can view more. So these are all the subreddits, and you can see how many subscribers there are right here, anxiety, that might be a good one. So let's click on this because meditation's obviously the real obvious ones. Zen habits. So I'm going to click on anxiety real quick. So if I were someone who wanted to promote on this subreddit, here's what I would do. I'd have to first definitely read through all the rules. They have a ton of rules, okay? So usually they don't want you to promote your stuff. So be careful on that. You're gonna have to find the right subreddit. Here, I'm just reading through some of what they're saying. Do not promote quick fixes, no grandstanding, research studies. This is not a venue to promote your blog. Feel free to show those. Oh, okay, look at that. So that's interesting. Now here it says no self-promotion, vlogs included. This is not a venue to promote your blog or vlog. Feel free to share those on anxiety blogs. Okay, cool. Let's go over there. It's a smaller blog. Okay. So maybe that's not a good one. But just read through them. Sometimes what you can do is interact, start talking. Maybe there's a subreddit that will allow you to do it. We've done it on non-app hookup subreddits too. We've promoted stuff on there. And so you can create a post just like this, and then hopefully there's an organic download, promote it to your list, promote it to your audience, your social network, so that you can upvote it. And then if it makes it to the top, it can drive good amount of downloads for you. Now, the other thing that you can do on Reddit is run ads. So you can run very targeted ads on Reddit and get a great CPI. So just find the right subreddit, find the right text for your ad, and promote your app through there. So if you can't promote within that anxiety subreddit, you can easily run an ad within that subreddit for your app. Lastly, if you guys want a little bit of a boost in getting to the top of any subreddit, there's a service that I've used and I love them, and it's called SocialElves. I'm showing it to you right now, SocialElves.com. Check them out. I'm gonna put an offer down in the description. If you let them know that I sent you, you'll get a cool discount. But what they'll do is they'll guarantee in any subreddit that you'll make it to the top 3. And generally what I've used them for is in the app hookup one, and we've seen really good results there. But I have yet to find a good subreddit where I can pretty much spam them. So app hookup is a great one if you want a little bit of help. If you want to try to do it yourself, you can do that and see how it organically grows. Or if you want a little bit of help, you can pay SocialElves to get it up into the top 3 results. Guaranteed. All right, guys, that's it. Quick and easy on how to promote apps within Reddit. I'm going to run some ads myself just to see how it works, and I'll report back to you guys as it goes. And as always, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button. We're trying to get to 10,000 now, so help me, will ya? Spread the good word. If you know a friend or if you like any of our videos, make sure you share it on social media so that other people can find out about us, this community that we're building together. All right, until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Click the top video if you want to see 5 of our greatest growth hacks for driving low-cost app downloads. And click the bottom video if you want to see the 4-step process to scaling up any growth channel.